Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So in today's video I plan to go to the airport, not to the place where I went last time exactly, the Terminal 2. I'm just going to the Shell petrol bunk that's over there. It's a good place to visit and then ride back. Just a solo ride, to be honest. Traffic was wild, yeah, as usual. Need to be careful on wet roads. This bike doesn't have any settings like, traction control or anything like that. Oh no, my helmet's getting foggy. I can't see, but chill out, what the hell? And yeah, before I forget, one of my childhood friends, Darshan, he told me that he would get me 500 subscribers if I mention that he would get me 500 subscribers and mention his name. So yeah, I did, and now I'm expecting 500 subscribers. Well, I'll be really happy if I get one subscriber too, but yes, and now you have to get me 500 subscribers. That was the deal. And yeah, ethanol. I haven't spoken about that thing. Oh my. Literally not gonna suit for any bikes that I'm gonna get. There have been reports where it shows that the insides of the bike gets rusted, and it's pretty much very bad for any bike that is not E20 compliant. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. I've done a bit of research where I can get XP100 and HP100, which have less ethanol, but again, not really sure if they have pure ethanol free petrol. And also I think those are gonna go too, because they're gonna make the whole of India have 20% ethanol compulsory. Not really happy with the decision they're trying to do. I don't think any vehicle can be compliant with that. What the hell is this guy trying to do, man? So they're clearly trying to kill off combustion engines. It's not even like indirect, it's like directly trying to kill off combustion engines. If you look at the future, it's good, but the way it's being done is not really the best way. And as a person who doesn't have any E20 compliant vehicles, that's really hard for me to find ethanol free petrol, ethanol, whatever. Damn, the landscape looks like if you imagine it, with the clouds, if you imagine a barren kind of land or something, looks like a boss fight arena. Well, here we are. The airport shell. There goes the plane. Alright guys, we're leaving now. I did spend quite a lot of time just going through my phone.
Give me your money.
only reason you have to go for rides early in the morning is because you can come back home, or you can go back home early, or you get stuck in the traffic like this. Wow, I didn't expect so much traffic. Oh my. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop recording, to be honest. Yeah, we're finally out of the city right now. You can see the time right here. That's how long it's been. I left the shell bunk at the airport at 8:40, 8:50 something, and it was supposed to be like 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes back home, but yeah, it's 11 a.m. right now. But yeah, if you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe, peace.